Japan has some of the longest-lasting cars on Earth, Toyotas running 900,000 kilometers as taxis, Honda Fits crossing 1.2 million kilometers, and K-cars surviving brutal winters without ever having the engine opened. And do you know the biggest shock? These cars are not pampered in luxury garages. They are driven hard every single day. The real secret is the Japanese maintenance culture. Small habits, deep discipline, and tricks that quietly push engines far beyond the limits Western drivers consider normal. In this video, you are about to learn the exact same Japanese methods that will turn your ordinary car to last over 1 million kilometers. And trust me, trick number 5 is something almost 99% of drivers in the US never do. But it directly adds years of life to your suspension and drivetrain. Let's get started. Secret number 12. Kaizen-driven habit. Unlike Western drivers who wait months for a mechanic to check their car, Japanese drivers inspect their vehicles briefly after every 1,000 kilometers. This includes looking for tiny leaks, monitoring coolant level, listening for new noises, sniffing for fuel smells, and checking belt condition. The idea is to catch small issues before they evolve into wallet-destroying breakdowns. This habit comes from the Japanese philosophy of Kaizen, continuous improvement through small, consistent actions. A loose clamp or tiny oil seep spotted at 1,000 kilometers prevents engine overheating, gasket blowouts, and thousands of dollars in repairs later. This routine keeps million-kilometer engines stable, predictable, and almost shockingly healthy. Secret number 11. Warm-up respect ritual. Japanese drivers treat cold starts with almost ceremonial respect because this is the moment when 80% of engine wear actually happens. Instead of revving and driving instantly like most drivers do, they let the engine settle into a smooth idle for a short period to allow oil to fully circulate. This is because when an engine starts cold, the oil is thick, sitting at the bottom of the sump, and has not yet flowed to coat the pistons, bearings, cam lobes, and crank journals. Revving or driving aggressively at this moment grinds on lubricated metal surfaces, causing years of invisible wear in the first 30 seconds of every trip. By waiting just a little, the engine achieves proper lubrication before facing load, which significantly slows down long-term wear. And that's why even million-kilometer taxis in Japan still idle silently, without rattles or tapping noises. Secret number 10. Oil changing. Every 5,000 miles. Japan takes oil cleanliness more seriously than any other country. Instead of stretching oil intervals to 7,000 or 8,000 miles like many American drivers do, Japanese owners religiously change oil every 5,000 miles. They know that even high-quality synthetic oil gradually breaks down from heat cycles, becoming acidic and losing its protective viscosity. This slow chemical degradation destroys piston rings, valve seals, and bearings over time. By keeping the oil fresh, Japanese engines avoid sludge, varnish, and carbon buildup, which are the silent killers of long-term reliability. Most million-kilometer Japanese taxis that get examined internally show shockingly clean oil channels and spotless valve covers because of this strict oil discipline. Oil is cheap, engines are not, and the Japanese never forget that. Secret number 9. Idle purification ritual. This technique is popular among taxi drivers in Tokyo and Osaka. The method involves letting the engine idle steadily for a few minutes after a long and demanding drive, especially after driving at high RPMs, mountainous roads, or heavy traffic. The purpose is to stabilize oil temperature, regulate engine heat, and allow the cooling system to bring everything back to normal without thermal shock. This reduces stress on injectors, spark plugs, and piston rings by allowing the engine to rebalance itself without load. When a hot engine is shut off immediately, heat builds up inside the cylinders, causing oil to burn and gaskets to weaken. Over thousands of cycles, this ritual keeps the engine cleaner internally, reduces misfires, and maintains ultra-smooth idle quality even at 500,000 plus kilometers. Secret number 8. Dual fluid purification tradition. In Japan, coolant and transmission fluid are treated with near-religious importance. Believe that two fluids, engine oil and coolant, must be kept in perfect harmony to achieve extreme engine longevity. They call it dual purification because they treat both fluids as the engine's lifeblood and its temperature soul. Instead of only changing oil on time, They flush coolant frequently as well, knowing that old coolant becomes acidic and slowly corrodes water pumps, radiator cores, heater cores, and even the head gasket. By purifying both fluids together on a synchronized schedule, the engine maintains ideal lubrication and ideal temperature control at all times. This dual balance prevents metal fatigue, reduces internal oxidation, and minimizes thermal shock during heavy driving, and often surpass 800,000 to 1 million kilometers without requiring a head gasket or internal rebuild.
Secret number 4.
Fuel system decarbonizing habit. Japanese drivers are obsessed with keeping the fuel system clean because they know carbon buildup is the silent killer of injectors, pistons, and valves. Many Japanese owners add a high-quality fuel system cleaner every 2 to 3 tanks to dissolve microscopic deposits before they turn into performance-robbing chunks. This habit keeps the combustion chamber cleaner, reduces detonation, and prevents rough idling. It also allows the ECU to maintain perfect air-fuel balance, boosting both longevity and efficiency. Taxi drivers in Tokyo routinely get over 700,000 kilometers on original injectors because they never allow carbon to accumulate. The cleaner the burn, the longer the engine lives. Secret number 2. Fuel system decarbonizing habit. Japanese mechanics follow a fuel system ritual that is so effective, many engines in Japan still run smoothly past 900,000 kilometers without losing their original power. Unlike typical drivers who pour cheap additives randomly, the Japanese method is a scheduled habit performed every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers to keep the entire fuel pathway spotless. It begins with using top-tier fuel for one tank, then adding a high-quality detergent additive specifically designed to dissolve carbon on injectors, valves, and combustion chamber surfaces. After that, they perform a controlled high RPM highway run, which burns off softened carbon deposits that normally choke engines over time. This process restores lost compression, brings back throttle responsiveness, and even reduces fuel consumption because the engine can breathe like it did when it was new. Japanese taxi fleets and delivery vans swear by this routine because it prevents rough idling, misfires, and injector clogging problems. If you follow this habit consistently, you will notice your engine becoming quieter, smoother, and far more efficient within just a few cycles. Secret number 1. Throttle body. Purification routine. Japanese mechanics treat the throttle body as the lungs of the engine, and that's why they perform a purification routine every 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers to keep airflow perfectly clean. Over time, soot, oil vapor, and carbon buildup create a sticky layer on the throttle plate, causing rough idling, delayed acceleration, and poor fuel efficiency. But in Japan, these symptoms are almost unheard of because they clean it before problems start. Their routine is not about using harsh chemicals. It is a slow, steady, controlled cleaning that preserves delicate sensors and prevents electronic throttle damage. They use microfiber swabs, gentle solvent, and precise movement to ensure the throttle plate closes perfectly. After purification, engines idle smoother, respond quicker, and maintain factory-level airflow accuracy even at extremely high mileage. Japanese fleet cars, especially hybrids and kei cars, rely heavily on this ritual to prevent carbon from creeping into the intake manifold, where repairs become expensive.
That's all for this video. These Japanese tricks aren't secret, they are simply disciplines that most drivers ignore. That's how Japanese taxi drivers, delivery vans, and daily commuters achieve 700,000, 900,000, even over 1 million kilometers without major failures. You can create a 1 million-kilometer machine too. Just start today. And if you want more powerful car maintenance secrets like these, make sure you subscribe for more tips and tricks.